Hello bakers and welcome back to my baking bible. Now sorry it's been so long since my last video. I took a bit of time over Christmas to switch off, but one thing I didn't switch off from was the new series of Black Mirror, which is live now on Netflix. If you haven't seen it yet, you definitely need to check it out. It's such a great series, so I thought why not dedicate the first bake of our year to a Black Mirror inspired cake. To celebrate the release of season 4 of Black Mirror on Netflix, I've created this 2-tier vanilla and chocolate cake with a chocolate ganache strip and cake toppers inspired by each episode. To begin, you'll need to cream your butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add in your eggs one at a time with a little flour if it begins to curdle. Add in some mixed spice, vanilla, and the rest of your flour, mixing well until combined. Pour in your cocoa to 2/3 of your mixture and then add in some black food colouring. We're making 3 layers for each cake, our black tier on the bottom and then the white tier on top. Add even amounts to your baking tins and then bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. While your cakes are cooling, you can make your buttercream by whisking together butter and icing sugar. Remove 1/3 of your icing and then dye it black as well. Next, you'll need to level off your sponges. Oh, this is a bit too violent, isn't it? That's better. Stack your cakes with an even layer of buttercream in between. Crumb coat the outside and then place in the fridge to set for an hour. I've used white buttercream on the black sponge tier and then black icing on the white sponges. Once set, add a second thicker layer of your buttercream and return to the fridge to set. For a bit of added decoration and as a nod to each episode in the series, I've created these cake toppers to go around the side of the cake. To make the decorations, I've used modelling paste to make stars for the USS Callister, an eye for Arkangel, a slice of pizza for Crocodile, the digital companion Coach from Hang the DJ, a teddy bear from Metalhead, and a lightning bolt for Black Museum. I've also melted down some black candy melts and spread them across baking paper for decorative strokes. To finish, make a quick ganache by pouring hot cream over dark chocolate. Stir until smooth and then add in some more black food colouring. Pour into a piping bottle and then drip around the side of your bottom tier. Stack your black tier on top and then cover with your chocolate ganache, smoothing around the sides, up into the drip on the lower tier. Finish by sticking your brush strokes to the side and placing your episode icons on the front. And you're done! Our chocolate and vanilla Black Mirror cake is good to go. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this Black Mirror inspired cake. If you're a fan of the series, let me know in the comments down below what you thought of season 4, and if you haven't seen it yet, definitely go and check it out. I've got lots more planned for 2018, so if you want to check it out and don't want to miss a thing, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time.